Christ the King College, San Fernando City, La Union, Incorporated, and CKC Alumni Association presented this distinguished Alumni Award to Mr. Gil S. Espiritu in recognition of his outstanding achievements and contribution to our country and society in the field of community empowerment, and for living up to the teachings, tradition, and value of Christ the King College. Given this 7th day of February 2026, during the Grand Alumni Homecoming at the CKC Grade School Quadrangle, City of San Fernando, La Union, signed by Mrs. Nilda F. Concepcion, President of CKC Alumni Association, and Mrs. Florida C. Ariola, CKC School Directress.
Good evening, beloved members of the Christ the King College family, our esteemed administrators and teachers, honored guests, and most especially my fellow alumni CKCians. My own journey within these cherished walls began many years ago, in days now softened by memory and gratitude. After graduating from high school in 1967 at St. Augustine's School in Tagudin, Ilocos Sur, jointly guided by the devoted ICM sisters and CICM fathers, and after spending my freshman college year at Maryhurst Seminary in Baguio City, I was led in 1968 to Christ the King College. Here, I remained until 1971, part of what we fondly remember as the Emerald Batch, the last college batch of this beloved institution. By God's grace, we earned the enviable CKC brand of teacher education training, culminating in the iconic degree of Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. This evening, as I stand before you to receive this esteemed honor, I do so not as one who considers himself deserving of a special distinction, but as one who recognizes with humility and gratitude how deeply, patiently, and enduringly I have been formed by this school. Whatever service I have been privileged to render in Baguio, whether through my uninterrupted 45-year professional career, serving in various capacities at St. Louis University, through my active involvement with the SLU's VP Housing Cooperative, through my lay ministry at the Holy Family Parish in Bacakeng, Baguio City, or through my lifelong care for my family, has its first and deepest foundations here in the values of a Catholic teacher nurtured by Christ the King College. Our teachers, mentors, and administrators patiently and persistently instilled in us the principles and methods of teaching, along with the virtues that give them purpose. Any faithfulness in my labor, perseverance in responsibility, patience in trial, or compassion in dealing with others reflects their guidance and example. The formation I received at Christ the King College flowed naturally from the classroom into daily life, shaping both my professional conduct and personal character, and was brought to life through the quiet dedication and generous sacrifice of those who guided us. For this reason, I accept this honor not for myself alone, but in the name of my fellow sojourners, my beloved batchmates. May I request my batchmates here from 1971 to please rise. Thank you. This is also for you, Kakabsat. Our devoted educators and mentors, my generous benefactors, and my family, whose prayers, sacrifices, and steadfast support have sustained me through the years. I receive it as a gentle reminder that every graduate, regardless of station, circumstance, or season of life, is called to love and serve God faithfully in his or her own unique vocation and capacity. Fellow Saykesians, let us remember that true empowerment is not found in prominence, applause, or public acclaim. It is found in daily fidelity, in silent sacrifice, and in steadfast love. Empowerment demands courage in both ordinary and extraordinary moments. It calls us to speak the truth when falsehood prevails, to extend compassion when apathy surrounds us, and to remain faithful when compromise appears convenient. The values formed within these walls, integrity, courage, service, and devotion, are not relics of a distant past. They are living gifts entrusted to the present and the future. They are meant to illuminate every home, every parish, every workplace, and every community where a Christ the King graduate may be found. Each encounter becomes an opportunity for witness. Each decision becomes an act of light. Therefore, I speak to you not only as a graduate of this beloved alma mater, but as one who has sought, however imperfectly, to carry its light throughout life. Even now, in what we may call the sunset of our years, our mission has not ended. It has merely entered a new season. Though many of us have stepped away from formal labor, none of us has stepped away from our calling to serve, to witness, and to love. We remain entrusted with the grace and responsibility first bestowed upon us within these sacred halls. May Christ the King College continue to reign in our hearts, guiding our steps, strengthening our resolve, and enabling us to serve Him and to build His kingdom quietly and faithfully wherever He may send us. Agyamanak launay kada kayo amin, sabay ko tat Diyos, bet bindisyonan na tayo, ital daw tayong agnanayon. Good evening.